Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andy Elliott. Today I'm going to go over selling consequences part 2. Now watch, this is a 2-part series. So if you're on the part 2 right now and you haven't seen part 1, after this, go back and watch part 1. I'll actually put the link below so you can find it easily. Listen, selling consequences is advanced selling. So if you're brand new in sales, this isn't something that you may understand. If you've been doing it for a while, now do I want you, if you're brand new in sales, to understand this? Absolutely. And I think you can. But I want to tell you, there's the basics. There's the foundation to the house, and then there's building the house. This right here is one of the best ways in the world to help make sure that your customers stay and buy, and it allows you to have a winning edge that most salesmen don't even understand what this means. So let's move into this. It's going to be selling consequences. It's going to be the second part. Your job is to find your customer's pain. Now watch this. What's your job? To find their pain. You got to disturb it when you find the pain. Stir up the pain. Make the hurt felt. And then heal their hurt with your solution. So you're like, gosh, Andy, what are you talking about? Let me explain this to you. Everybody has a problem, right? What is your job? Your job is to fix their problem. Diagnose the problem, prescribe the solution. When you go to the doctor, what happens? The doctor figures out exactly what you need, then what do? You take the medicine. Us as salesmen, our job is to give the customer the medicine. But I want you to understand this. A lot of people don't even understand how to diagnose a problem. But then I want to tell you this. If you want to make sure that they stay and take the solution from you and not your competition across the street, this is what you have to become great at. Now I want to tell you this. This takes a while. This is advanced selling. But the faster you understand it, the faster you can become one of these guys that are making 400 grand a year. So let's go over this again and then let's keep moving. Your job is to find your customer's pain, disturb it, stir up the pain, make the hurt felt, and then what do? You heal their hurt with your solution. All right, I'm going to give you the how-to on the 3 ways here. Find a deep want or interest. Did I say a want or interest? No, I said a deep want or interest. You want to find a deep want or interest from your customer. Secondly, you want to disturb it. Understand this. Stirring up the hurt is not negative. It's your job to be the healer of the hurt. That's how you end up becoming the hero. Understand this. Do you want your customers to need you? Do you want your customers to say that, oh my gosh, you were the answer to our problem. You were what cured our problem, what healed it? Yes. Well, but how can you be that person if you don't understand how to sell consequences? All right. Number 3, show your customer how to heal their discomfort by buying the vehicle. Look, the 2 forms of persuasion here. Persuasion is the process of getting your customers to clearly see that their most desired feelings are being met by you. Persuasion is the process, I'll say it again. Persuasion is the process of getting your customers to clearly see that their most desired feelings are being met by you. The second part of it, persuasion, is to get the customers to associate not buying to pain. So check this out. You're like, dang, Andy, man, I've been down here just shaking hands, doing the meet and greet. I'm watching this video. I don't get it. It's okay. Listen, let me explain this to you, okay? It's called learned skill for a reason. It's a skill that you learn. Your job as a salesperson is to fix people's problems for a living. We are problem solvers. That's what we do. And our job is to influence and persuade people that the solution that we have will solve their problem. There are consequences to not taking our solution. There's more pain if it's not fixed, and then there's pleasure when we fix it. That is selling consequences. All right? So, this right here, this is a, what do you call those? A scale here. If someone is on edge, and I figure this is buying, this is up, this is not buying, that's down. We're over here. This is when they don't buy. If you're wanting someone to buy, if someone is on edge, apply more hurt that will create more desire. And that means talk about their problem. If that isn't enough, then you always add logic. Stack these two so it'll outweigh the customer's reasons to avoid buying. There's three things to always think about over here. Emotional reasons to buy now, logical reasons to buy now, and then ultimately the customer's dominant reasons to avoid buying. Guys, in this video, if you loved it, if you like it, if you're learning, give me a thumbs up. What I want to share with you is this. Sometimes I go over some very simple basics. There's nothing more important than just going back to the basics. And then sometimes I like to give you guys some advanced selling. And I move around, I have no structure to the way I put my videos out. Why? Because I have 10,000, 11,000 people that I constantly deal with on the daily, training and working with. And I train dealers all over the United States. I'm currently training over 500 stores. And I want to share this with you. Everybody's in a different place. But my goal is to take you where you are now and to take you where you want to go. In some of the stuff, it's going to be a grind to learn. And some of the stuff, you're going to catch on really quick. But bottom line is, I want to teach it all to you, and I'm here for you for the long run to make sure that you get it. If you're struggling and you need something, shoot me a text, 918-210-0254, I'll help you. But if life's good and you're crushing it, guys, keep elevating your game, getting the skill. And if you're struggling, remember, always hit me up. I'll help you find a solution and a way to go to the next level. Guys, have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon.